You know, they won't tell you, Fanak. But you are doing better than you did before. You've come a long way. Although the journey is long, although there's a lot of more work to be done, but I applaud you. You were not like this before. So there's progress in your life. And that's amazing, and it takes God and it takes grace, yeah? So we are proud of you, boss. There's a lot of change in your life. We all see it. We all see the difference. And you know what? It's because you had God on your side, man. I mean, sure, the goal has not been reached yet, fine. Cool. But you have God, man. It's okay. Just hang on a little bit tighter. Trust me on this one. When I say God will do it for you, it's not a rhetorical statement. This was a seed before. Now it's a finished product. Doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. Fulfilling its purpose exactly how it should be fulfilling its purpose. Some of you are seedlings, some of you are still seeds growing. And some of you are young plants, small plants. Some of you are already big trees. But trust me, more is coming, better is coming, abundance is coming. Only good things, Mfana. Don't worry. May God bless you and strengthen you and keep you going. Remember, God is the only fuel you ever need. Okay? Keep pushing. You'll get there soon.